We will be making mucver today. Firstly, I am grating 2 potatoes and leaving it to rest for 10 minutes. Then, I will squeeze the water out of it and put the potato grates in another bowl. I grated 2 zucchinis and let it rest for 10 minutes. Now I am repeating the same step of squeezing the water out of it and placing it in the same bowl as the potato grates. I am adding a tomato paste to the vegetable grates and mixing all these ingredients. Let's now add 1 grated carrot to the mix and crack 2 eggs in it. Let's also sprinkle half a teaspoon of salt and mix everything again. Make sure the eggs fully incorporate with the vegetables. I am now adding 40 grams of finely chopped parsley and a small bowl of finely chopped spring onion to the mix. I am mixing everything again. Finally, I am adding a cup of flour to the same bowl while continuing to mix it. Now it's time to start cooking. I am adding cooking oil to a pan. I am taking a spoonful of the mix, placing it in the pan, and lightly pressing on it with the same spoon so that it flattens a bit. The patties should be frying on medium heat. Make sure to turn their other side when one side cooks. After both sides are fried enough, I am transferring them to a plate which is lined with a paper towel. The paper towel will absorb excess oil and your dish will be lighter. You can make these patties bigger or smaller, it's up to you. For instance, you can make them bigger and use 1/4 of the pan for each one of them. You can even make one using the whole space of the pan. After frying all of it, our dish is ready. Enjoy! Please do not forget to like and share these videos and subscribe to our channel.